In today's video, we're creating this sophisticated logo using our Canva. With Canva, with different kinds of shapes and lines, we can come up with the very coolest ideas. So join me, let's create this always growing logo. To create this sophisticated logo, you're going to go to your logo and select a blank canvas. Press C for circle and add your circle, then size it to the size that you want. Change color and make it a green color, and then duplicate the shape so that you have a white round shape. Size it on top of the green color, copy the two and group them, and then squeeze them for a shape that looks like that. Then you're going to press L for line. Then you're going to change the color of your line and make that green, rotate it, and create round endpoints on your line. So we're going to start designing and rotating our line like that. So let's reduce the line and make it a little bit thinner, like a 2, and duplicate that shape so that you have a separate shape. And then you're going to size it and put it next to the other shape.
I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds.
I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna duplicate it and I'm gonna move it to the other side. Then we're going to add our text on our logo. It could be anything. You add a slash and you're done. You're going to go and download this as a transparent background. So you're going to go transparent background and you click download. If you don't have transparent background or you don't have a pro account, you're welcome to trial it for 30 days using my link below. So your download from the first time that you've downloaded it is going to have a white background that we've added. As you can see, it has that white round circle that we've added. So you need to remove that. You're going to add your logo that you've downloaded with that removed background as a picture or as an image. Then you're going to go to edit image and remove the background so that it takes away that white circle that we've added. Once it's removed, you're going to click on apply and we're happy. Now we're going to go share, download, and we download it as a transparent background and we jump into Photopea. Once you land on Photopea, you're going to select PSD templates and you're going to click on mockups so that it shows you the mockups. And we're going to use this one that's created by graphicsfamily.com. You click where it says photopea.com hashtag and then you wait for the mockup to open up. You click where it says your logo here on the checkered box. You double click and then you click on the eye to hide the text. Then you click and you drag your logo that you've just designed and then you size it and align it. And you click File, Save as Smart Object and you wait. And then you click where it says White Logo Mockup. And your logo is created and it looks amazing. To export it, you're going to click File, Export As, depending on the type of file that you want. I'm going to select PNG and then I'm going to reduce the width and make it a little bit smaller so that it doesn't pixelate, and then I click on Save. If you're struggling with logo mockups, I've created a PDF document that's available for you. I'll link it on my website below so that you go download a PDF document that's available for you. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you on the next video.